Okay, so we're going to start on the tour, and I'm just going to kind of give you about a 2-minute overview of the house and give me your thoughts on it. If this would help you, if you're going to spend over about $2 million on the house, if this tour would help you versus, again, just seeing photos and so forth. So here we go. All right, let's get that light on actually. Main entrance, and the home has been renovated completely about 6 months ago. So everything here is brand new. If you're seeing blinking lights from the video, it's because these are all LEDs. So it doesn't do that in person, but on video it does. Here's the office. Okay, they got some built-ins as well, so you can kind of see that. Okay, hardwood floors obviously. So formal living and dining, to each his own. Okay. And you've got stairs that go upstairs, and your entrance that's living, breakfast, and then master back there, and kitchen we'll go through in a second. But on the right hand side, you've got this half bath, okay, which is right there. And then on top of that, you've got laundry room, okay. Pretty cool actually. It's got some good built-ins. And then to your left, you've got a full sink. Pretty cool. Okay. Actually, let's go this way. So this is a little butler, little coffee bar area from the kitchen. Okay. You've got your refrigerated wine racks down there, and then storage as well. And then to your right, you've got your pantry. It's a pretty good sized pantry. Okay. And then from here, you've got the back side of the kitchen. Kind of goes up into the breakfast area as well. Let's go the other way, so you can see how it unfolds from when the majority of people that come over come into the house. So you come here, you break right. Got your breakfast area, you break left, and you've got your kitchen. So it has a waterfall, granite on both sides. You got your stainless steel appliances, microwave, Jenn-Air, Sub-Zero fridge, and then all this has been completely redone, the entire house for that matter. Gas top burner, Jenn-Air as well. Custom light fixtures, as you can see. Okay, 2 dishwashers, because, you know, one's not enough. This new sink they put in, it's Swiss, it's pretty cool. Okay, and then living room's over through here. And then if you circle back to your right, you can also see there's an undercut, little bar top for some bar stools. And then you've got your new fireplace right here. You got this really nice granite that they took from the kitchen that they used behind the fireplace. But if you're in the living room and look at that view, okay, that's the entire outside. Custom pool, we'll get to that in a second. And again, here's the breakfast area. Kind of looks into the backyard. Okay, we'll save the pool for last, that's the best part. So you go down this hallway, and then to your left, you're gonna have you're gonna have a full bath, shower, okay? They're installing that mirror as we speak. And then to the left, you get your first floor media room. Let's see if y'all can see that. It's kind of dark in here. So it is actually a pretty big size media room. Okay. I think it's about 120 inch projector screen. Okay. Then we'll keep going down the hallway to your master. So we'll come in here, okay, and this is the entire master bedroom. They just punched out these sliding doors. They used to have just simple windows like that over here, but now they've got these sliding doors they put in there so you can walk out from your master and go out to the pool and so forth. Pretty nice view. And then you go into master bath. Okay, got your vanities right here. Okay. Then you've got your master tub, and then shower. And then also on the entrance of it, they've got their custom light fixtures as well. Okay, and then right over here, toilet, pretty self-explanatory. And then through here is the master closet. And this has all been custom. It's got this interesting kind of fur material. So, in fact, these all slide as well. So if you come right over here, so you can see what it looks like behind it. So, pretty good. If you're organized and you like that kind of stuff, that'll appeal to you. Then obviously the shower as well. Let you take a quick peek. Yep. Okay. Again, master. All right, so now we'll be heading back up to the front of the house. But real quick, let's actually go to the outside so we can see that. Now it's going to be kind of loud. I would assume it's going to be kind of loud because there are people chopping tons of wood out there on the lot next to us. So if you hear chainsaws, that's what it is. It's not your neighbor. Okay, so outside here, we've got the overhang from the house. In fact, those are Infratech heaters. So there's 4 of them. Okay, and you can come over here and hit this button and those little boogers will light up and turn on and heat you up to the point where you can be out here, 50-degree weather, and not have any issue, okay? So here's the pool. We got this full swim up bar on the right-hand side, and also this kind of like hangout little concrete top. So if you want to sit there and eat or drink, what have it be, you've got this option here too, okay? You've got kind of a little grass pad hangout area. We could put some lawn chairs. And then down here, if you can see that, you can kind of walk down here into this sunken grill hangout area, okay? And you've got stools here as well. And you can see we're pretty close to the level of the water, all right? And then you've got full functioning DCS kitchen, okay? For y'all that are familiar with DCS, okay? Flat top burner up there, multiple gas burner there, and then obviously you got to have, you know, the 25,000 pound green egg. That thing is heavy. All right. Come back up through here. Underneath this, you've got speakers, sound system up there. And what's cool is, okay, so you see that little black box? That's a projector. So at nighttime, this is a waterfall, and if you're not, you know, have the water on, then you can use this to watch movies on this material right here. It's very fine, so actually the images will show up pretty well. Pretty neat little deal. But if you're in the hot tub, right, you can actually sit here and watch movies and relax at nighttime. It's pretty neat. I like that. So you've got this little gas pit over here. So if you want to sit by the fire, you got this option. And here's the viewpoint from the south end of the house, okay? And you've got your little sun deck area there with your chairs. So if you want to hang out and get a tan on, you've got that option as well. Man, it's cold. Okay, so lastly is we're going to go upstairs since we've not been up there. All right, so this is the game room upstairs. It's pretty spacious, actually. It's probably about a 20 by 18 size room. Got a bedroom over here to the right. It's the bathroom. Another bedroom. Come over here from the game room on the other side, and you've got third bedroom. And no, Spider-Man and Iron Man do not live here. Batman does though. Okay. Jack and Jill bathroom, shower, Jack and Jill, and then another bedroom. Come back out the hall and back to the game room.